Now get something like this. I use a skillet, you can use a frying pan or whatever. Put a bit of oil in, turn the heat up to high, give it about 2 minutes before you put your yummy yummy fillet. Do about 15 to 20 seconds and then turn it over and do another 15 to 20 seconds on the other side. Now what we're doing is we're just searing it and then put it on the side for about 7 to 10 seconds and just move it around just so it's sealed in. Now we just turn the heat down to low and just about 1 minute, and then keep turning it about every 60 seconds. It might seem a bit painstaking to do that, but you're going to get a really nice, lovely bit of meat here. Now I like to, when it's got about a minute or so left, get some pink Himalayan rock salt and some pepper and season it. So just leave it like that for 30 to 60 seconds, then turn it over and then season the other side and then leave that for 30 to 60 seconds and then you're done. Now for this I like to use an organic wrap. This one's made from chia, spinach, kale and broccoli. Really yummy, really healthy. Once you've cooked your sweet potato and you've pureed it, I like to put that down. And that is what I use instead of butter. A lot of people use butter. I like to try and use things like pureed pumpkin, pureed sweet potato, avocado, just healthier options than butter or margarine. Now get the meat, just cut it up into small pieces. Now whatever sauce you want to add, if any, is entirely up to you. I like to add some hot chili sauce. Then get some fresh chives. I've just cut up some from my garden. Now just add some chia seeds. Now we just fold. Now if that won't quite stick, just bring that right to the end and that will stick. Fold it like that as best you can.